Timers. In PLC, programmable logic controller, programming timers are essential elements used to control time-based events and processes. A timer is a variable that measures time, activates outputs after a time delay, and is often used in conjunction with input conditions to achieve specific control functions. PLC timers can be classified into three main types. 1. On-delay timer, TON. An on-delay timer is used to introduce a time delay before activating an output. Once the input condition is satisfied, the timer starts counting, and when the preset time has elapsed, the associated output is turned on. This type of timer is commonly used for delaying process operations or sequencing events. 2. Off-delay timer, TOF. An off-delay timer activates an output immediately when the input condition is satisfied, but the output remains on for a preset time after the input condition is no longer present. Once the input condition is turned off, the timer starts counting. When the preset time elapses, the associated output is turned off. This timer is suitable for controlling actions that need to continue for a specific time after the triggering event. 3. Retentive timer, RTO. A retentive timer maintains its accumulated timing value even when power is lost. This type of timer is used when it is necessary to retain the elapsed time during unexpected power failures or system restarts. The accumulated time can be used to calculate process durations or synchronization events. PLC timers can also have other features such as preset values, reset controls, and multiple timing ranges, milliseconds, seconds, minutes, etc. Additionally, timers can be cascaded or nested to create more complex timing functions. When programming timers in PLCs, the specific language and syntax may vary, depending on the PLC manufacturer and the programming software being used. However, common elements in timer programming usually involve specifying the timer type, setting the preset time value, monitoring the input condition, and controlling the associated output. Overall, timers are powerful tools in PLC programming that enable precise control of time-based operations, ensuring accurate sequencing and automation of industrial processes.